contain flashing lights and loud noises may cause epilepsy and PTSD. So be warned, if you have epilepsy or PTSD, click off, okay? So this is a stereotypical of I don't want anyone getting seizures. So if you have epilepsy, click off, because there's some flashing lights and loud noises if you have PTSD. Be warned, okay? This is just a super easy hobby, so let's put on music in 1, 2, 3. Oh, I forgot, there's already music. Just please like and subscribe if you don't forgot. I am gonna skip to the part when it's epilepsy, so it's almost hard, no easy. It's getting dark, so I see you in later, okay? So see you later. What just happened? It's low-key scary. It's now difficult, but it's not that difficult anymore. I'm gonna foreshadow this moment. The helper is gonna turn pretty strange. Let's go to extreme. Let's go. We're gonna go in extreme. Extreme? What the hell is extreme? I meant extreme. Let's go and see you later. And see you later. Okay, let's go. See you later. I'm almost say bye. It's not the end of the video, so see you later. See you later. Bye. Oh, why did I say bye? I meant see you later. Extreme. Okay, level 40. It's about to get scared of everything. Oh, I fell! I fell! Why did I fail? I gotta go now. It's actually not pretty scary. Hobby games don't scare me. Find a game that scares me. That's my only goal. Find a game that scares me. This doesn't even scare me. How many times did I fail? Oh. Bro, why did I fail? Fail and fail. I did that in the same thing. What am I supposed to say? Let's forget about it. Fail, fail, and fail. I did that in the same time. Oh, that's what I'm supposed to say. That was supposed. That was supposed. That what I said. I fail and fail at the same time. That I need to say that, but I didn't say it. But this is so many kilobytes. What is that, bro? What is that? Now stage 45. So things are getting more harder and scarier. It's not harder and scarier. Wait, people? Why is people over here? What is happening? What, I'm telling you, what is happening? Is this a jail cell? I'm gonna die. Yep, it's instant kill bricks. What? wanna see. Let's. Can we go over there? Wait, I see something. What's that? I actually see something. I'm not lying. Over here. Oh, what's that? Blocks? Oh, this is a jail cell. This inmate, he escaped. Let's go in the tunnel and escape. This is not a stereotypical obby. If this is a stereotypical obby, this can't be this scary. And who just called me? I don't know who just called me, but what? Is that me? Do I have schizophrenia? I don't know. We are now in stage 48. A little jump, but I want to go to stage 50. This is a road. This is Loki telling something. What is this? Turn back. No. What happened? Connection lost. Success. We're going. Please stop. Why do we stop? I don't know. Oh, the helper. Or I want to say LARPer. Why is my like that? It's kind of scary. Can't unlock cat. I don't want to unlock chat. Wait, why is your smile like that, helper? Hey, or I want to say LARPer. Why did I laugh? I just said LARPer. Laughing at my own jokes, bro. Why am I laughing at my own jokes? I don't know. We are now close to 58. Stage 58. We're almost there. 59. We're almost there. We are almost there. Let's go. So helper, what are you doing here, helper? All of you are LARPers. We are not calling you helpers. We are calling you LARPers. I don't know why I say LARPers. They are not LARPers. I think they are not LARPers. Why are you like this? Bro, no way I'm still recording. This recording was like 4 hours ago. So the ending is here. So bye. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hope you don't get epilepsy after this video. Bye.